Hi everybody, it's me Aidan, and welcome back to my cooking show, my little chefs. Psych!
Huh?
Welcome back to my workshop, my little chefs. Today we're going to be painting Nerf guns and opening it up to see the physics of how it works.
Oh my god!
It's unboxing time. Time for ASMR. Guys, look! Look at all the bullets. It comes with 12 bullets. We're going to be using the Nerf N-Series Agility. You got this, Aidan! ASMR! Ah! And here's the beauty itself. What is a Nerf gun? A Nerf gun is a fun toy that kids play with, like this, that when you're able to fire darts. Like this. Today we're going to be painting a Nerf gun. This beautiful N-Series Agility Nerf gun. But first, we're going to unscrew it and I'm going to show you how Nerf guns work. Here's a screwdriver and here's the two plates that we're going to be using. One for holding the screws and one for holding the parts. Now we want to flip it upside down where all the screw holes are. Start unscrewing. This is hard. But it's working. Yay! I love unscrewing bills. I love unscrewing things. Guys, my mom thinks I want to be an engineer when I grow up because I take apart all her things, but I actually don't. Good. This piece for last section of the top. Yeah, I got it out. I didn't even have to hit it. I just hit it and it was falling out before I even hit it. Nerf doesn't actually want you to do this because they think your guns are already cool, but I still do it because I think I want to make my guns look cooler. This was hard to unscrew. It fell out. Now, guys, we're able to take it out. Da 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 da! For the grand reveal. Open up the gun. Open up the gun. It's time to take off the lid. Wow, guys, look at so many parts.
Wow!
And it came from the one part that you wouldn't expect it to come from. Yeah! Guys, look at all these parts. So basically we have this plunger piece. It moves and then the bullet's inside. So then the air goes through and pushes it. Guys, now this is the main part that we're in right now. Main part.